friends, I am Dr. Gaurav Jain, Professor, IS Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are gathered here on this virtual platform to perform practical based on clove birds. What is the object of today's experiment? It is to perform morphology of clove birds. So here you can see these are the photographs, real photographs of clove birds. This is actually the clove birds, and here is the group of clove birds. Here it is in the starting stage. Actually it is the bird. So see how these are coming out, and it is going to flower and blossom after being a bird. But we don't wait for it to become the flower. We collect it at this time only. So these are the clove which we use for our medicinal purpose, and this is the whole tree of clove bird. Okay. Now coming to the synonyms of clove bird. What are the synonyms of clove birds? It is termed as Caryophyllum or clove birds, that we already know. The drug consists of clove birds of family belonging to Myrtaceae. What is the biological source? The name of the plant is Eugenia caryophyllus, and the main constituents for which it is known is tannins, namely galactonic acid resin, chromone, eugenin, and it also contains volatile oil, that is eugenol. That is why it is aromatic in nature. What are the main uses of the clove for which we are using? It is mainly used for dental analgesic purpose. Okay, it is carminative also, it is stimulant, and it is used in flavoring agent also. Because of this flavoring agent, it is used as spice in our kitchen also. Now, as the object indicates, what are the morphological characteristics of clove birds? Now let's move towards the main clove bird. Coming to the morphology of clove birds, let us see what is the color of this clove bird. The color of this clove bird is reddish brown. Okay, with upper crown and hypanthium at the lower level. What is hypanthium? This part is called the hypanthium. Hypanthium is subcylindrical and tapering at the end. You can see this is the tapering part of the hypanthium. Okay, it is 10 to 13 millimeter long, 4 millimeter wide, and 2 millimeter thick. Okay, it also contains calyx, which are 4 thick sepals. You can see it very clearly in this, that it contains 4 thick calyx. Okay, and on the top of it, it contains corolla, and it is also known as head. Now if we move on to the taste of it, it is pungent and aromatic, and odor, it is aromatic spicy. So friends, how you like this clove birds? It's very tasty, and we took it as a spice also, and it removes our bad odor of the mouth also. You might be very much familiar of it. Now I think in market also no one can fool you which is clove or which is any other wood. Okay, so with this I am ending my virtual class. Thanks for participation.